Hi, in this video we will see how we can write a Python program to merge multiple dictionaries like two dictionaries or three dictionaries together in a single expression, and finally it will give us one single dictionary. In this video I already put couple of dictionaries like three dictionaries, and we will use these sample dictionaries to merge and to produce the final dictionary, and it will be only one dictionary after the merge of these three dictionaries. So let's get started. I am using Visual Studio Code Editor and Python programming to develop this program or application. At first we need to define three dictionaries. So these are the three dictionaries. We can directly copy this part, and then we can assign each dictionary with on variable. Suppose for the first dictionary we can assign the variable like dictionary 1, and second one is similar, dictionary 2, and finally dictionary 3. So here I just assign three dictionaries all together by using variable dictionary 1, dictionary 2, and dictionary 3. Now we need to merge this thing. So to merge the dictionaries, actually we can develop or create on single simple function by using definition keyword. That means this is a function, and then we have to write the function name. Suppose the function name is like merge dictionary. Okay, and here we need to pass the arguments, and after that we have to put colon, and finally we have to put pass. I'm not going to implement this thing, that's why I put pass. So here merge dictionary, here we need to pass all the arguments. Suppose we want to pass three arguments, so here we can do one thing. We can put dictionary 1 comma dictionary 2 comma dictionary 3. So now let's merge the dictionary, and we need to implement this thing. So I'm going to remove this pass, and then finally we have to create a dictionary, and inside the dictionary we have to pass all the arguments. Okay, so here we have to use double star, then dictionary 1. So this is dictionary 1, then comma, then double star, dictionary 2, then comma, double star, dictionary 3. As we are trying to merge three dictionaries, that's why we have to put all the dictionaries like this. If there is two dictionaries, then we have to put only the two dictionaries, okay, based on the variable name. Okay, so this is the targeted result, and finally what we can do, we can actually return it by using the keyword return like this. Okay, so what this function will do, this function actually will take three arguments, and after that it will merge and it will return on single output. Okay, now let's try to use this function. So in the program we can actually call this method by calling the method name merge dictionary, and now here we need to pass the arguments. So the arguments are dictionary 1, then comma dictionary 2, then comma, and finally dictionary 3. Okay, and finally we can store this whole thing in a result. Okay, so we can create a variable like a result, and then we can initialize this thing with this function, and finally let's print the output. So to print the output we can use the Python print function, and inside this function we can actually type some meaningful messages like merge of dictionaries, and then we can actually print the output. The output is the zero argument, and this is the result. So we can type dot format, and then inside this we can pass the variable name. The variable name is result, so we can type result, and that's all. Now it's time to run the program. So we can run this program by right click, and then we can choose run Python file in terminal, and the terminal will be opened, and we'll see that it is able to merge all the dictionaries. So these three were the input, dictionary 1, 2, 3, and this is the final dictionary. And here we are seeing all the elements are there like a b c, a b c till this c, and d c x y, d c x y. So here if you see carefully, that here it is merging all the things, and it is merging based on the keywords. So here all the keywords are a b c d x y, and there is repetition of c here, right? So that's why it has only one c, and the first c value is updated based on this. So the keywords in dictionary all the keys will be unique. That's why these are uniquely identified here, and only this value is updated based on the last tone. Basically C was first added, and then when it's merging it found C again, so it updated the value, but the keys are the same. So you have to be careful that if some keys are repeating inside the dictionary, then it will take only the most recent value of that keys. Okay, so that's all guys. In this way you can easily merge multiple dictionaries by using a single expression. Okay, so here we used only one single expression and it merged all the dictionaries all together. Hopefully it will be helpful for you, and if you feel this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.